Hello folks, Gino here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas with a really nice 2012 Harley Davidson Road Glide Custom that I want to show you. Bike's got a couple of really nice upgrades on it. Got the Screaming Eagle heavy breather. Got true dual exhausts. Freedom Performance racing mufflers on there. The bike's got a real nice deep rumbling sound to it. Set of ape hangers. Look like they're, I don't know that they're 16s. They may be 15, 16, I don't know. They feel real nice. Electronic cruise control. AM, FM, CD player. Full instrumentation. It's got a painted interfering. Bike's got upgraded levers. Very nice. Just got the wash base. It's still got a few little water spots on it there. I noticed here on top of this bag lid, there's just some very minor little nicks there. I don't know if you can see them in the video or not. Rear fender looks good. Got a good tire on the rear. Actually just felt a couple little drops of rain, so you might get wet here directly. Paint looks good on it. Just minor signs of wear. Got an upgraded windshield on it. That's a opaque windshield. You can't see through it. Sculpted style. Got some wind deflectors here. Cigarette lighter you can use to charge your stuff if you need to. The bike's got 30,028 miles on it. Fires right off. We ran it through our shop and checked it out. So it's ready to ride. Also got the docking hardware back here for a backrest or luggage rack. Qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team at 817-985-8888. They can tell you all about it. Or go online and see our complete inventory at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. We take almost anything in on trade. And we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for looking.